Okay, so Klymit sent another box. This is like Christmas. I'm loving this. There's something so satisfying about opening boxes, right? It's kind of fun to get packages. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. So these are the Timberline chairs. Let me pull this down. I'll show you what we got here. Yeah, so this is, again, the Timberline camp. I can't talk today. This is the Timberline camp chair. Wow, this thing's only 44 ounces. That's not bad, because it's a pretty good sized chair. It's 22 by 20 by 35.5 inches. Made from 600 denier Oxford plus the mesh. This says that the Timberline features a high back with a headrest and a seat engineered to comfortably cradle and support your body. Again, Klymit not just putting out a product to put out a product, but really putting a lot of design and engineering into their products to make the outdoors a better place. The chair is lightweight, durable, with vented mesh panels for breathability. Sit back with a low to the ground seat position, perfect for chilling by the fire. That sounds pretty good right about now. The Timberline's easy to use, and it folds down small for travel. As you can see, this is a pretty small package. Let's just do a quick open up of this and let's see what we can see. I'm not going to assemble the chair. I'll do that in the full review for you, and then I'll post the review once that comes out on the end card at the end of this video. So make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss that review video. Wow, this is a pretty cool chair. Yeah, so wow, these are super lightweight posts, just like camping poles, right? Just pop together. It looks like it's got well engineered design here for all the posts to put in, and yeah, give you just a little bit of a close-up of the fabric, some of the detail there. Very nice. I can tell that this is durable and well made already just taking it out of the box. So again, we'll give it a full review, and check out down in the description below. I'll put a link to this great product, and you can check it out online before the review is published. All right, thanks for joining me today. Take care. Bye-bye.